Hello, guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star. Yes, in Dutch they call it Cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. Not in today's newspaper of Thursday, March the 9th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the yesterday's edition of Wednesday, March the 8th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no additional, only one regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Anyway, let me finish this one. Because I've already solved 2 puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, so it's time for the tectonic. Yeah, tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 6089. Yeah, 6089. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has a lot. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits, and it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, I see here one single box, always a 1, and the second single box is also a 1. 1, 1. Okay. Next question. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1 now, so that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Here also 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me see. Triple boxes. Where are you? No triple boxes here. Next question. Quadra boxes then. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, also no quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me start with this one here. This one, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape, upside down? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah. Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, this one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. It's also rotated. In this case, it's a 3 then. Alright. Okay, then. Do we have more? No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S. But this figure shape construction is the Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. And it's also connected with that box. 1 or a 2. Alright, only one Z or S construction. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe. This is the last shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Then, alright, it's a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 2. Well, it can be a 1 here because we already have a 1 there. So this box should be a 2 then. And 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And it's also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5. It goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 3. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, so 4 and the 3. Alright, these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 is left in this area for number 5. Alright. Then let me see. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can't be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Well, I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, I've told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1-star puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow. No, Wednesday. It's Thursday. Yes. No, this is the edition of Wednesday. Well, today's Thursday. So, almost weekend. Tomorrow is Friday. So, have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.